Morning traders, the 19th of August. This is a 30-minute chart of the Euro US dollar. Removing my chart here. Hopefully you can see the numbers now. Basically, so what we had on the, this is how I use daily pivots. So this is a daily pivot indicator. This is the M3, the R1 and the R2. Very conservative targets are the R2 and the S2. Okay, so in this case, what we have here is this is the moving average, 14-period smooth moving average. Now you see when it's flat like this, you don't trade, okay? You need this thing trending up at least. So when it starts trending up like this, we start looking for buys above the moving average. Now, people in my channel always ask me, what is a test? So what is a test? And I spoke about this in my video of Friday, pre this move, as this move was happening. Before it, I kind of said it would hit here, it went higher. So this here is a valid test, this one. This one here, ultra high volume, higher than these previous three bars, down bar, closing in its highs. This is a test. The next bar, same thing, down move, closing in its highs is a test. Went up, we came back down, we tested the moving average here, closed off of its lows. This is also a test. These ones here are a sign of strength, okay? So we're seeing an up move and we're seeing tests in a rising market. We came up, we can't sell off of this area, even though I was trying to sell underneath the weekly close of the previous week, because we're seeing a strong uptrend. We're seeing not an instant rejection. And here again, we see another valid test in the late US session. Tried to push lower, went higher. Move the market sideways. End of day, we jumped 30 pips into the close. Yeah. So we jumped 30 pips into the close. But the sign of strength was here on this valid test. I didn't take this trade personally. I traded it from down here up to here because of this test, because of the rising market. So we've got this rising market here. You see it's very subtle, but it's a rising market. Yeah, we see that. We see these valid tests here. And we see another one here. Let's do that again. It's messy. We see a test here. We see another test here. Yeah. And from there, price rose up and to test this level, this top level here. So these are what tests are, okay? A test is a down move, preferably on ultra high volume, closing on its high in a rising market, all right? So that's it, folks. Next week, hopefully we'll get some more strength in the euro.